Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying out Busties breast tape kit. You can get it on Amazon and I'll have the link in my bio. It comes in this cute little box and there's quite a few things inside. First we have the fashion tape, and then we have our little flower petals, some silicone ones, a sensitivity test kit, and then there's also some instructions and a little bag to keep all your stuff in. Something I thought was really cool about them is that they donate a portion of your purchase to the American Breast Cancer Foundation. As someone who doesn't really have a lot going on up here, I'm going to use the tape to help me out. I am speechless. This is me with the tape on. I have no words. All I have to say is run to Amazon. Like, the link is in my bio, and you're supporting such a great cause too, and you get to look like this. I had nothing here before, and I'm obsessed. I love it. Definitely go check this out because I cannot stop staring at my chest right now, and I don't do that often.